Alright, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $144.42 for the goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $7.81. And if you watch my videos, as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is for the week of June 16th to June 22nd, or June 15th to June 21st if you live up north. So today is Thursday, June 16th, the first day of the sale. I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week, because you know they will go away, or coupon, they could be out of stock. So you know, the sooner you get this info, the better. Also, if you like this video, you know, it really helps me out if you can hit that like button, or if you like these deals, hit that like button. Yeah, even better. So let's get right into it. Some of these deals I did before, of course I did them again. I'll start with a Band-Aid. Any Band-Aid product. I got the least expensive $1.99, so for two of them $3.98. And there's a manufacturer coupon for 75 cents off, so it does say limit of one. You can try to use two, or you can use one of these and a digital coupon. And there's also a store coupon for $3 off, and got even better, ibotta has 50 cents back on each one. So for those two, $3.98 spent, $3 from the store coupon, 75 cents digital coupon, 75 cents from the manufacturer printable coupon, and $1 back from ibotta, making $1.52 overage. So good start right there. Let's keep it going. Always Discreet light, and I did this before, did it again, used a different Publix digital account this time. And if you can find the 30 count, these light, they are regular price $5.99, so you can probably do this deal till this coupon expires on July 2nd. So what you do, you buy two of them, and you give them this coupon first. And as you know, you enter in your digital coupon at the end, and they both come up. But make sure they scan this first digital coupon. It's kind of a glitch, but it works. Submit it to Stocking Spree as well, and you get about another $2.40. So $12.88 these cost with tax. $5 back from the manufacturer coupon. This is from the PG from June. And digital coupon, $5 off from the Publix digital coupon. If you got that, clip that. I recommend, these are my tip, and I always give kind of tips, clip every single digital coupon, so that way you'll have it, it won't disappear on you. I mean, I can't promise, but usually that's the best way to go. Submit it to Stocking Spree, and it's roughly about $2.40 when you submit it to Stocking Spree, so it makes that only 48 cents. Keep going. Did this before, I did it again, and already starting to melt my ice cream. Gosh, I sacrificed for you guys. So these are regular price $2.79 for two of them. Come to $6 tax. Manufacturer coupon, I got the link and a detailed breakdown as always for all these coupons. You can print them. You know, I'm talking fast, you can see the detailed breakdown. But anyways, there's a link to print the coupon, 75 cents off. I use two of those. Checkout 51 has 65 cents back. And then you go to My Points or Swag Bucks, and you get roughly $4 to $4.15 back. It did not go through. Requested the review, so it should go through. Last time I requested the review and it went through. So all said and done, $6 spent, $1.50 from the manufacturer printables, $1.30 from Checkout 51, $4.15 from My Points, 95 cents overage on those guys. Ready sports drinks. So I did this before. Regular price $2 with tax, $4.30. I found a hang tag now, so there's $1 off of two hang tag. You can use that, or if you don't have that, there's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off of two. Checkout 51 has $1 off of two as well, and ibotta has 50 cents back on each one. So that's another $1. So $4.30 spent, $1 from the hang tag, $1 from Checkout 51, $1 from ibotta, making those only $1.31. All right, some new deals here. Let's go. The simple gum here. So regular price $3.19 with tax $3.43. Manufacturer coupon, I got the link to print that below. Takes $1 off. ibotta has $2 back. $3.43 spent. $1 from the manufacturer printable coupon. $2 from ibotta. Makes it only 43 cents total. All right, the Axe deodorant stick. This was a good one here. So the regular price for these guys, and I don't have it exactly, but I know that it was up there. I think it was around $6.49 each. Correct me if I'm wrong. My retail price might be a little off there, but so $6.49 times 4 with tax, $27.91 for 4 of these. They're on sale, 2 for $8. So with tax, so that's 8. There's 2 of them. There's 16 plus tax comes to $17 and it's 20 cents. So what you do here is there is a Publix gift card deal. So when you spend over 15 this week on participating products, they give you a gift card for $5 gift card. And in this situation, it just took it off. Where was it? $5 gift card promotion. And so I did this in 2 transactions. The next time I did it, it was for the different item. I'm gonna get to that, but gift card. What it does is it alerts the cashier. It stops everything, alerts the cashier to make you purchase a gift card. If they just hit enter twice, it'll just take the $5 off. But what they're supposed to do is make you buy the gift card. So you're gonna, they're gonna charge you $5 off, and then they're gonna charge you $5, and then they're gonna hand you the gift card. Sometimes they take it off. But what it does, it just stops the transaction, alerts the cashier. They can just hit enter twice or whatever they do, and it just kind of goes through. In this case, the first transaction, they did this. I could have done this in 1 transaction. I didn't 2 because not all the items were at the store that I went to. But neither here nor there. Let's say so as I said, $17.20 spent for these guys. You got that $5 off automatically. So that was $5 off. There was a $3 off at 2 Publix digital coupon. Once again, as I say, clip all the digital coupons so you won't miss it. $3 off digital coupon. And then there's a manufacturer printable for $1 off of each one. I also heard there's some peelies maybe on the product. So this is where I signed up for the Unilever, and they send you emails. A lot of spam, but check your Unilever emails. This one said like Father's Day, Dad's thing, or something, and it says you can claim your reward or savings, and it was $1 off. There's a bunch of them actually. That was $1 off coupon, so I used 2 of those. And Ibotta has $1 back on each one, so that was another $4. And then Fetch gave me 6,000 points for this, so that was about $6 more. So all said and done, $17.20 spent for these guys, $5 automatically taken off, or a $5 gift card, whatever way they do it for you. $3 from the Publix digital coupon, 2 manufacturer coupons for $1 off each, so that's another 2 off, $4 back from Ibotta, $6 back from Fetch, making that $2.80 overage. All right, organic girl spring baby mix, regular price is $4.99. They're on sale for $3.99. Manufacturer printable for $3 off. So that made that only 99 cents. And of course, I was working up to something. I had this $5 off of 50 Publix coupon, and I'm going to get into that at the end. So this is basically 1 transaction. It was 2 transactions, as you can see the receipt. But so let's keep going. Klondike vanilla shake. So the regular price for these are $7.99 with tax. That's around $8.60. But so they're on sale for $5.29 till tomorrow, Friday, June 17th. So $5.29. Then Fetch has 50% off as a Fetch offer, so that's 2,845 points, around $2.84. The Publix digital coupon for $2 off, making those only 85 cents. All right, and then another Fetch offer. So Sir Kensington, this is the avocado oil mayonnaise, and of course I'm gonna get it's basically free. So when it was free, I'm gonna get the most expensive one. I mean, just like you have a free combo meal at Taco Bell or whatever, I'm gonna get the most expensive combo meal. So in this, I chose the most expensive Sir Kensington item. So what it is, these are $8.59. So for 2 of them, they come to $17.18. But there is a buy one get one free coupon, expires tomorrow, so you get $8.59 off. And then Fetch has 50% back, so that was equivalent to 8,590 points, about $8.59, so making that completely free. All right, and last deal here, Dove Men+care. Dove Men+care body wash and Dove men+care shampoo. So I got 2 and 2 of each. And once again, this was another deal. If you spend over $15 on these items, you get $5 Publix gift card. So the regular price for these are, I believe, $5.99 each times 2 would be $12.88 with tax for those, and $12.88 with tax for those, around $26 for these, just under. But they're on sale, 2 for $8, so $4 each. So for 4 of them, cost $16. Add the tax is $17.20. And there is a $2 manufacturer coupon, limited to, for the body wash, and that's from the Save June 5th. So that I used 2 of those. From the same insert June 5th, there's also $2 off of 2, or $2 off of 1, limited to, off of the shampoo. So I used 2 of those. And then got even better. My as I said, I got $5 off from the deal here, where this time, I purchased them and it said gift card promotion minus $5 makes you buy a gift card for $5, and obviously at the end they hand you the gift card. So that's how they worked it on that one. And you know what, it got better, because I had a digital coupon for $5 off any Schwab, Unilever, personal care products, so that took $5 more off. So all said and done, spent $17.18. Got the $5 Publix gift card, so that's 5 off. I got $4 back from 2 of those coupons, $4 back from 2 of those coupons, and then, as I said, the Publix digital coupon for $5 off came off. So $17.20 spent, 5 off, 4 off, 4 off, and 5 off, making that an 80-cent overage. And once again, I was working up to get $5 off of 15 here coupon, and they took it. I just printed this. I have the link to print that. Use your best judgment on this. I actually asked the cashier, do you accept this? And he said yes, and he looked at the lookup number, typed it in. 5 off of 50 came off. Once again, this was when I did the Always deal. The Always $5 off vendor coupon came off right there, and then the digital coupon came off, as well as my digital coupon for the Axe came off. So once again, that helped get $5 more off. $7.81 overage moneymaker. Hopefully you can use that coupon. If you can't, you're still gonna have a $2.81 overage money maker. So once again, please subscribe. It's a funny looking guy. As I said, I'll be trying to post a video on the first day of the sale. And please hit that like button, the thumbs up button, if you can. It really helps my channel out. Everybody enjoy their couponing this week.